not gonna hide it, I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it, what you got yourself into.
Good morning. Good morning. Come on down. Come on down, my dear. Yeah, come on down. So hubby is on a new schedule and he's home with me now in the mornings. And
not by choice.
Oh my gosh, he's always in my space. Say good morning, Rob.
Good morning.
Where's the green man? Say good morning. So, he's on a new schedule. Luckily for me.
Where's the honey?
Where's the honey? Right there, honey. Where's the honey? Right there, honey. For me right now, school is on a 2-hour delay, so I mean, he gets the kitchen all to himself and the bathroom and all of that. But I didn't know how much of an inconvenience it is for him and I to be on the same schedule until the other day. He come down here and we're just like we're not fighting for space, but he's like in my space that, you know, I prep the kids lunch on the island. He's on the island doing his own thing, and I'm like having to throw him off, and he's just over here looking at me like, I'm like, no, you can't just come up in here and interrupting somebody else's day. Like, you can't do that. But so he's over here doing his thing. So you need honey?
Can you go to the store? I'm
not buying you any honey. You know that's prostitution, right? Totally left field. There's this guy on YouTube that I watch. Yes. Oh Jesus, no, thank you. Never want to see a toddler with that. It's a marker. There's this guy on YouTube that I've been watching. He renovates houses and stuff, and he shows you how to do things. And I told my husband that I'm in love with that man. Like, that man can't do anything wrong. I'm in love with that man. Right, honey? That's my boo thing. That's my boo boo. Like, that's my boo. I'm joking. I'm totally joking. Like, a lot of you guys don't get my sarcasm, and that's one of the reasons why my husband is not fazed when I say certain things, because he knows me, you know. So a lot of you might, oh, she's cheating. No, I'm not cheating on anything, okay? It's a joke.
Because then he can build my house.
Build what house? Your house is already built.
Rebuild whatever's wrong with it.
Oh, you mean update it?
Oh yeah.
Oh really?
For free.
Last night I wasn't feeling too good, so I didn't get to eat dinner. So where's my food, honey?
Oh, that's my lunch.
What do you mean it's your lunch?
You got no food.
I'm done. I'm done. Where's my food?
It's my lunch.
Don't play with me. Do not play with me.
You didn't eat.
No, but where's my food? It should have been on that thing.
Yeah.
Where is it?
I don't know. You didn't. You left it there.
Yeah. Stop emptying out of our bank account.
Yeah, for fuel.
What are you eating? Is that a penis? You eating a penis, Rob? So early in the morning? Hi, Shushu. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hi, Shushu. No, don't lay down. I'm too old to be, Good morning, Jason.
Good morning.
Did you brush your teeth?
Oh, no.
Don't play with me. It's a 2-hour delay. Do not play with me.
Jackson.
Back to you, husband. So that's your breakfast, honey?
Yeah, just a sausage and some rice.
That's it?
I'll forget them. Yeah, my teeth.
You doing that gangster walk again, Rob?
It's the boots.
Mm-hmm.
It's the Puss in Boots.
The Puss in Boots. Eat that, Rob. Eat it. Make noises when you eat. Eat it, Rob.
I need bread.
Really? You need bread? How does it feel to have someone recording your private moment that you're about to have with your food?
Makes no difference to me.
Alright. Well, we're gonna have a mukbang. A mukbang. So, Rob, tell us about your day yesterday. How was your day?
Wet and slippery. Slippery. It was slippery than whale snap.
It was wet and slippery? Oh. Did you enjoy that? A lot, right? Do you like wet and slippery things?
Of course.
You do? Tell me more, Rob, why you eat that penis.
It tastes good.
It tastes good? What are you eating it with? Oh, okay. Let's not go there right now. Okay, go on. Anything else you want to say?
Get out of my space.
Are you gonna have a good day today? You better not come back here early. I'm not playing with you.
No, not today.
Come back here 2 hours early and see what I do with you. We can't afford for you to be coming home early. Shoot, we can't even afford for you to go to work. You should be on the pavement. You should be on the pavement every day, just filling out job applications to things that you don't even qualify for.
I do.
I know you do. Like this man applied for a job he knows nothing about. And you know why he applied for the job? Because they say experience preferred.
Yeah, they want you to know how to run wire.
And he knows nothing about running wires.
But it's $25 to $30 an hour. It doesn't seem required. It's just preferred.
All right, Rob. Well, you get in there, Rob, and you show them how good you are. How you know how to lay cords. Is it lay cord? You know how to lay pipes? Is it? Are you laying pipes? Oh. Show them how to lay. Show them. Good morning, Madison. Good morning. What is that? Why do you keep going in your brother's room? Can I have it, please? Thank you. We don't go in other people's room and take their things. Thank you so much. There you go. All right, you need to go upstairs and get dressed. No. New words now these days is help me. Help me. Anybody passing by and hear the little toddler saying help me, they think something really bad is going on around here. Cut it out. You don't go inside anybody's room and take their things. We all have rooms for a reason. If you need something out of someone's room, you ask. Okay? That's not how it works. Nobody goes and touch your things. Oh, I moved my office out of her room because I felt like I was intruding on her space. The child don't sleep in there, but I moved my office out of there because I want her to be able to play and have her own space. But now that my office is in my room, it takes forever to upload a video because for some reason, I think the router, the Wi-Fi, is it a router, honey? The Wi-Fi router is too far from my computer. It took 4 hours to upload a vlog yesterday. I was like, oh my gosh. But I was watching this lady here on YouTube. It takes 18 hours for her to upload a video. She has a really old computer, and I feel bad because one day she was doing a day in the life and the upload failed on her several times throughout the day. Like it'll go 4 hours fail, 4 hours fail, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't complain. Sometimes you have to be grateful for the little things in life, because here I am complaining about a video, you know, upload taking 4 hours and it's not failing at all whatsoever. But this lady's uploading for 18 hours and then boom, fail. Can you imagine? I would quit YouTube altogether, and she's very consistent every day, all day, and I'm like, there's no words for me to be failing at YouTube, none. I'm gonna go tend to my daughter and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Well, I don't have to be up, so I'm going back upstairs in my bed because it's a 2-hour delay. So bye baby, I love you. Come on, give me my kiss. Have a good day. Love you. Be safe, okay? I'm gonna go back and go lay in my bed because there's no reason for me to be up. I'm up. Whoa! Oh my gosh! I'm gonna kill myself one of these days with that gate. I'm gonna go lay in my bed. Lay down. Destiny always uses my shower. I need to find a pants. I don't have pants on. I need to find pants. I'm so out of breath. I'll do that later. I'll find pants later. It's 6:31. What's 2 hours? 8. I don't know, whatever. Good morning. Not really. It's time to go make these children their lunches, and I'm looking outside and there's like snow everywhere. I'm just like, this morning my husband showed me the temperature outside and it was like 9 degrees. 9 degrees. I have a Nikki butt here because I took off her diaper, and that's how I potty train. I go bare butt, and sometimes I will throw on a panty if she's not getting the idea that you need to go to the bathroom, because they don't like to feel wetness on them. So the underwear works. Don't do pull-ups, none of that fancy stuff. Just go extremely old school. Take off the underwear, bring them to the toilet, sit them on the toilet, get used to it, you know what I mean? Don't do all that fancy potty pull-ups. No, take off the diaper, bring them to the toilet. Put underwear on them if you don't like them that exposed. They don't like the wetness, and it forces them to go to the bathroom. That's what I've been doing, and that's what's been working for little Missy here. Put my phone down. Look at her. Where is she? Put my phone down. Give me my phone. I'm gonna go make their lunches. I don't even know what I'm making for lunch. Do you want to come down? Okay, Sissy will bring you down. Oh my gosh. Alright guys. That's my alarm that tells me that I need to go make lunch. I have another alarm set for when I have to leave, because then I will forget, because I'm outside of my routine. This 2-hour delay is no joke. I will forget. You hear me? I will forget that I need to take these kids to school. Anyways, I'm gonna get their stuff going, plug in my phone, get these kids unhooked from this TV, and get our day started. I'll catch you with you guys in a little bit.
Hi, let's see the baby.
Maddie, ants on the lawn. What? Ants on the lawn. Ants on the lawn, girl. Ants on the lawn. What? Ants on the lawn. What? Ants on the lawn. Oh, get it, girl. Ants on the lawn. What? Ants on the lawn. Ants on the lawn. Ants on the lawn. What? Ants on the lawn. Get Ants on the lawn. What? Ants on the lawn.
Mommy, it's not just that thing.
Okay, wanna do another one? Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. Mama shark, shark. Really? Mama shark. Grandpa shark, Grandpa shark, Grandpa shark, Grandpa shark,
Grandma
shark,
Grandma
shark, shark,
Grandma shark. Grandpa shark. Grandpa shark.
Alright, I'm done. So everybody's lunch is done. It's 8:56. We gotta be here. We gotta be out of this house by 9:20 something. And it's already, oh man, I have like 20 minutes to go sit on my phone. My husband forgot his marvelous tea that he was making this morning. You guys saw him making his tea. He gonna text me, drink the tea. I'm like, yes sir. So here I am drinking the tea because I was told to do so. You have to be submissive.
I'm gonna drink some. Never mind. How's tea?
Anyways, I'm gonna go chill out for a minute. I'll be back. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Such a beautiful day. Whoa. Salt everywhere. Calm your butt down.
See my baby want to take control.
Sexy.
So you want to take charge? Okay, girl, I know mine. Go do your thing, girl, I'll be quiet. Yeah, I know that. Baby, when I say it's your time, you say make her hold tight. Now she says she want give me the African waistline. She want give me that work like Rihanna.
It's so bright out here, but Jaxson has a project that I have to go get posters, so I'm stopping by Target to get posters. That's it. Why? Get off. Get off. I can't bring her anywhere. She acts a hot mess. Over here screaming her head off as if I care. I really don't care. Oh, there's some really good clearance stuff in here, but I'm only here for Gio's project and some soap. But it's really cute. If I wasn't on a budget, I would buy the bulk of this stuff, but nope, on a budget. Ooh, a lollipop. I found a lolly. Oh gosh, don't let her see it. Don't let her see that. This is 13. Anyways, I'm gonna come get out of here. So, ended up in Michael's, spending $16 that I didn't have because they had Christmas. I'm gonna show you guys when I get home. Bought Maddie a sucker to keep her quiet. I didn't realize that I was on a 2-hour delay. That means it's nap time. So the child ended up falling asleep. I have red crap all over me. She had a serious meltdown inside of TJ Maxx and Michael's. I'm about to have me a meltdown, but you know what I do to get to soothe my meltdown? I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A. Sorry, husband, but I need dealing with a toddler is no joke, especially when they're cranky and they have to sleep. So I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A and I'm gonna go treat myself. I'm gonna order me a chicken sandwich and go home and sit and eat my sandwich and cry, because I just had the worst toddler meltdown ever. People were just staring at me. I've never had people stare at me. That's how I know that my toddler is spoiled. People were staring at me, and for the first time in my life, I now know what it feels like to have a screaming child and everybody is just judging you, and I'm just standing there like, I don't care. This is not my first rodeo. I've done this countless of times, okay? But it's never been this bad. Anyways, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna go cry my tears out on a sandwich.